In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight in Adobe Acrobat 2026. Highlight text PDF. By the end, you'll be able to mark important passages in any PDF so they're easy to find and share. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. With the document on screen, head to the Tools area. You'll find Tools at the top of the interface. It's the central place where Acrobat keeps all of its features. Once you're in Tools, look for Comment. Comment is the workspace that contains annotations like notes, highlights, and underlines. Select Comment to open its toolbar along the top or right side of your document. In the Comment toolbar, choose the Highlight tool. It looks like a felt tip marker icon. When the highlighter is active, your cursor will be ready to select text. Now move to the part of the PDF you want to emphasize. Click at the start of the words you want to mark, then drag across the text. As you drag, Acrobat selects the text and previews the highlight so you can see exactly what will be covered. When you've selected what you need, release the mouse. That's it. Your highlight is applied instantly. If you want a cleaner result, zoom in a little before you drag so you can target just the words you need. Acrobat generally snaps highlights to full words, which helps keep selections tidy. If you highlight more than you intended, simply try again until it looks right. You can also scroll and repeat the same click and drag motion anywhere else in the document to build a consistent set of highlights. A quick note: highlighting works on selectable text. If the PDF is a scanned image where text can't be selected, you won't be able to apply a highlight until the text is recognized. You can check this by trying to drag across a word. If the cursor won't select individual letters or words, the content may be an image. Once you're happy with your highlights, save your file so your changes are preserved. Use the Save option in the application and consider saving periodically as you work to avoid losing progress. After saving, your highlights will remain in place when you reopen the PDF or share it with others. To recap, open your PDF, go to Tools, select Comment, choose the Highlight tool, click and drag over the text you want to mark, release to apply, and save your file. That's all you need to highlight text confidently in Adobe Acrobat 2026. Thanks for watching and enjoy a clearer, more organized PDF workflow.